Hey guys, a lot of people ask me the same question: what carburetor rebuild kit to choose on my Lada, on my Moskvich or something else. And I will not show here different rebuild kits or tell that the best is to find some retro Soviet Union kit like this, but here I will show you the main idea by using, for example, one of the best rebuild kits here in Ukraine. Here I have disassembled carburetor Ozon 2107 for Lada 1.5 liters engine, which came to me for repair and tuning. The owner of it bought a nice rebuild kit. We can understand it by looking on these high quality diaphragms, and here we have best quality petrol filter and the middle quality paper gasket. Also, we have other fresh components of this kit, and looking at this all, I can tell you that this is one of the best, or really the best rebuild kit, until the moment when I look at main system jets. Let's test their parameters with my calipers. Main fuel jet of first barrel have marking 112, just like we need. I made some tests before filming, so I will show you quick. 140 caliber is okay for it. So the hole is 1.4 millimeters instead of 1.12 millimeters. 1.5 caliber is too big for it. Okay, let's look at fuel jet of second barrel. Marking is 150, just like we need. But what with calipers? 140 is too big, 135 is still too big, 130 is okay and have some little gap. So something around 132. Now, air jet of first barrel. Marking 150, just like we need. 150, okay. 157, okay. 162, still okay. 170 is too big, so 162 with a little gap. As a result, we have super rich mixture in the first barrel, configuration 140 fuel jet with 165 air jet will make big fuel consumption, and our spark plugs always will be black. The air jet of second barrel have marking 150, just like we need. 162 is okay, 170 is okay, 190 is too big, but 170 have rather serious gap. I think it around 180. As a result, our second barrel is super lean. Both of these jets make this problem. At the very end, we have next. Second barrel should make rich mixture for power, but it make lean and car will not go fast. And first barrel should make normal mixture for economy, but it makes rich. And this problem I see with a lot of my clients. That's why I not recommend any rebuild kit. So, what I can recommend to you? I recommend you not to change any jets. The basic jets is the best for standard daily use with standard main ventures. But when you bought some rebuild kit, you can replace all except jets. Just make some cleaning them once in a year or even less often. And be careful with them. Make cleaning with wooden toothpick, but not with metal items. After this, they can continue to work a lot of time. But you can have another trouble. You bought second-hand carburetor where previous owner made some bad work with jets. So, what you can do? You can try to find another USSR jets, but you can find the same problem. Then you can go to hardware store and buy some drills. Here I have drills from 0.5 to 1.9 millimeters. You can buy from 1 to 1.8 millimeters. You can control their sizes with Dremel or micrometer. After this, you will use these drills like calipers. With them, you can test your jets. The result will be approximate, but you can avoid mistakes like in this video. Also, you can look at spark plug color or even make stand with jet fluid test. And spent on drills money will come back to you with normalized fuel consumption and saved nerves. And now I will show you a little collection with extra big or dead-end jets. Believe me, people can do with them really crazy things. And now that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll be glad to see your comments, likes and subscribes. Wish you all the best.